Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide download all files from Dropbox. So if you want to download all files from Dropbox but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to make sure that you have already installed the Dropbox app on your device. So if you have not installed, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open the Dropbox app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, then you'll be able to download all the files at once from Dropbox. So this is the home page of Dropbox where you'll see the option of home, files, photos, account and all of it. So you just need to click on the option of files like this, and if you click on the three dot next to it, here you will see the option of share, manage access, make available offline, star, show in folder, duplicate and all of it. So for the folders, you just need to upgrade your plan to premium or advanced from basic. So if you are trying to save the photo here, you'll be able to simply make it available offline like this, and it is available offline. So for the folder, you just need to upgrade your plan and you will be able to make it available like this, and you'll be able to download all the files included in the folder at once like this. So that's it. That's how you can download all the files from Dropbox at once. Thank you for watching the video.